Welcome to the best picks. The best splash guard is probably one of the most underrated kitchen accessories, but it plays a vital role in keeping your kitchen clean and your garbage disposal running smoothly. This small, yet mighty, component prevents food particles and water from splashing out, while also allowing food waste to easily enter the disposal unit. In this video, we'll dive into the world of garbage disposal splash guards. Number 5. Essential Values Disposal Splash Guard and Stopper Combo. This combo is designed to fit various garbage disposals, including Whirlaway, Waste King, and GE. It's a replacement for your old or damaged splash guard and stopper. This combo helps keep food and debris from splashing up. Installing this splash guard and stopper is easy, requiring no tools. It's a quick fix to keep your sink area clean. You can easily replace your old, damaged, or misplaced one. The splash guard helps prevent silverware and other unwanted items from going down the drain. At the same time, it allows food waste to enter the disposal. This helps protect your disposal unit. This combo fits all standard sinks and disposals from brands like Kohler, Moen, and Insinkerator. It's a versatile solution for many different setups. It is designed to fit a wide range of disposal units. The splash guard has an outside diameter of 3.125 inches. It is made of durable materials. It is a reliable replacement for your garbage disposal. What we like? This combo pack gives you both a splash guard and a sink stopper, offering complete protection. It's incredibly easy to replace, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a convenient all-in-one solution and have multiple compatible brands, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? This splash guard and sink stopper are amazing good quality for the price. I did measure the opening, and both pieces fit perfectly. This stopper held a large sink full of water overnight when I needed to soak some stained items for 12+ hours, and didn't leak a drop. I ordered this one and it's just the right size and it muffles the sound of the disposal beautifully, as well as keeping the water from splashing up. It fits snugly, prevents splashback, and holds a sink of water. Number 4. Essential Values Garbage Disposal Splash Guard. Is your garbage disposal splash guard old or damaged? This replacement is designed to fit most standard 312-inch kitchen sink drains. It's a compatible replacement for many brands. Replacing this splash guard is incredibly easy. You won't need any tools. Simply remove the old one and put this one in its place. This splash guard prevents food and debris from splashing up. It also helps keep silverware and other items from going down the drain. This splash guard measures 314 inches and fits most standard sinks and disposals. It's compatible with brands like Kohler, Moen, and Insinkerator. We stand by our products and believe in our customers. Enjoy your kitchen activities without the worry of defective products. This product is a great choice. What we like? This splash guard is designed for easy, tool-free installation, making replacement a breeze. It effectively keeps food and debris from splashing up, ensuring a cleaner kitchen. If you have a standard sink and want a hassle-free upgrade, this guard is an excellent option. What people say? All disposer baffles work to reduce splashing and keep food from flying out, but this one also deadens the noise significantly better than the one it replaced. This one fit in perfectly. I am able to remove and put back easily, so anticipate cleaning will be a smooth process. Number 3. Fdit 3-inch Garbage Disposal Splash Guards and Stopper. This splash guard and stopper is designed to fit a wide range of garbage disposals, including Waste King, Whirlaway, and Sink Master models. It's a versatile solution for your kitchen. Unlike rigid plastic, this product is made of flexible rubber. This design helps to prevent food and debris from splashing up while the disposal is in use, keeping you safe. The splash guard and stopper are easily removable and replaceable. You can quickly swap out old or damaged parts without any tools or disassembly. Made from high-quality materials, this product is oil-resistant, wear-resistant, and heat-resistant. This ensures a long service life and reliable performance. The package includes a drain plug and a splatter guard. The drain plug measures approximately 8 by 2 centimeters, and the splatter guard is about 7.5 by 4 centimeters. It's everything you need for your garbage disposal. What we like? Made from flexible rubber, it offers superior durability and is resistant to wear and tear. It's also incredibly easy to use and clean, ensuring a hygienic kitchen environment. If you prioritize longevity and ease of maintenance, you should consider this one. What people say. The 3-inch is a perfect fit. Great fit and couldn't be easier to install. Fits perfectly. Number 2. 3 PCS Garbage Disposal Splash Guards. This package includes 3 garbage disposal splash guards. They are designed to be easily replaced if your old ones are damaged or misplaced. Made from environmentally friendly rubber, this product offers excellent oil resistance, wear resistance, and heat resistance. It's built to last. With an outer diameter of 3.1 inches and an inner diameter of 2.3 inches, it fits most standard disposals. Make sure to measure your disposal before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Installation is simple, just place it in your sink. It's also removable and easy to clean, providing easy access to the processing hopper. This splash guard works with various brands, including Whirlaway, Waste King, and GE models. It's a versatile solution for your garbage disposal needs. Unlike rigid plastic, the rubber material is flexible. It effectively prevents food and debris from splashing up, keeping you safe while the disposal is in use. What we like. This pack includes 3 splash guards, providing great value and ensuring you have spares on hand. Made from environmentally friendly rubber, it's a sustainable choice for your kitchen. If you want a cost-effective solution and value environmental responsibility, this is the one for you. What people say. Gasket fit perfectly, quality appears very good. These look identical to what came with the sink new, but surprisingly fit tight seemingly on a ledge and do not move so far. This fit my sink perfectly and lasts for a long time. Number 1. CLEESINK Garbage Disposal Splash Guard. This splash guard is designed to fit a variety of garbage disposals, including Waste King, Whirlaway, and GE models. It has an outer diameter of 3.18 inches, so please measure your disposal to ensure a perfect fit. This makes it a versatile choice for many kitchens. Tired of water and food scraps splashing back up? This guard prevents that, keeping your kitchen cleaner. It also helps to reduce the noise from your disposal, creating a more peaceful environment while you're working in the kitchen. Installing this splash guard is a breeze, no tools are needed. It's also removable, making it easy to clean and access the disposal. Just make sure your disposal is connected to the sink for a tight seal when replacing it. Made from high-quality nitrobutadiene rubber, this guard is built to last. The material is oil-resistant, wear-resistant, and heat-resistant, ensuring its durability. The quality of the material reflects the quality of the product. CLEESINK is dedicated to improving your life with innovative kitchen solutions. We are passionate about making your kitchen a better place. Choose CLEESINK for a better future in your kitchen. What we like. This splash guard not only prevents splashes but also reduces the noise from your disposal, creating a more pleasant kitchen experience. The easy installation and cleaning make it a convenient choice. If you value a quieter kitchen and a premium feel, you'll love it. What people say. Fit perfect. Has kept its shape for about a week now, even after the hottest water, so far. This one has a pocket built into the rubber, that it's as easy as a little washer pressure, or a tap on the scraps, and it falls into the disposal. Really happy with this design. First off, the center hole is larger so water can drain more naturally. Second, other than the center hole, the rest of the piece is solid rubber, but very flexible, and molded in such way that there are 5 triangular slides that let waste immediately flow into the drain without backing up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.